Okay, time to change my O2 sensor.
Alright. Yo, this is a lot easier. Wait a minute. Nice. Oh! Yo! It's getting it. It's getting it. It's getting... Can I get a disease from rust in my eye?
I don't think so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh my god. Come on. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh! All right. You want to see a 27-year-old gasket for an O2 sensor? Look at this. And why did mine not come with a new one? Lame. All right. We back. Where am I going? Where did it go? It's up here. Okay. Alright. We're gonna guess this way. Oh shit, that's hot. Fuck. Okay. Yes. Sir. Man. Oh, it's hot. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. I should probably tape those wires. That's probably why I went out in the first place. Okay. Nuts. No big deal, just talking to myself. Okay. Ah! Pretty tidy, lefty loosey. Learned my left and rights wrong when I was a kid. No big deal. Yee! Oh no. Nope, come on, you got it. You hear them bats? You hear them bats? It's right here. Oh no! I love working on my own truck. He's hot, he's hot, he's hot. Damn, it's hot. Ooh! My arm's tired. Take a little nap. Do I need them to both to be tight? Tighten up. Hey! Perfect timing! Can you be the 13 wrench? I don't know, whatever those curvy things are.
It's not man's work, it's, you know, it's human's work, huh?
Yeah, it's human. Nice. Righty tighty. No, righty tighty, lefty loose. Righty? No. Wait, that goes left. Wait, that's left. Right. Right. Amazing. Boom, baby. Boom. Don't look at the rest. Oh, that's my new O2 sensor. Look at this old one. Straight melted. Mallet. It's done.
Good for you. I'm proud of you.
Whew. No. It's the price we pay for being a